My name is Jay Sunil Kolle. I am from Bharati Vidyapit Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Technology, Pune. I am the team leader of this project, and my other team members Aniket Udugade, Yash Kondre, Yash Mengde has also contributed the efforts in our project. So basically, our project is on the generation of electricity from the sewage water. We have designed a model, small scale model, to show that how the electricity is generated from the sewage water. So basically, what do you mean by sewage water? Sewage water is the water which is coming from kitchen, bathrooms, wash basin, etc. So after knowing the meaning of the sewage water, let's move to the basic component parts of this of our project. So first the component part is the collection tank, which is having the capacity to store water of about 10 liters. Second is the turbine, which is made up of hollow circular spoons fitted with the glue. Third is the dynamo, which is having the capacity of 12 volts. Fourth, the main component of this project is the LED street light, which is having the capacity of 3 watt each pole. After knowing the basic component parts of this project, let's move to the working principle of this project. The water from the collection tank is sent to the turbine. Is sent to the turbine. The kinetic energy of the water is changed into the electrical energy with the help of dynamo, and this electrical energy is transferred to the LED street poles by the series connection. We have also provided the wire mesh to remove the large particles from the sewage water. After that, we have also provided one pipe from which the remaining water will come for the guarding or irrigation purpose. So from this project, what we conclude? We conclude that from this project, this will reduce the load on the power, reduce the load from the power generation. Second, by this project, we can provide the electricity to the remote areas. Third, it will reduce. This project will help the future generation of the smart city. Thank you.